Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company, Aimenzunto, Aimenzunto small portable charging power bank. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. It's small in size. It's about the width, as you can see, of an iPhone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Nothing special on the outside. Open it up. We have a thank you note. We have a warranty card. A scratch card, actually. I haven't done that yet. We have a USB. There's the actual instruction manual, which is not going to be a lot. It's pretty simple use. USB-A to USB-C cord. And here's the actual device. It's a really neat charger. It's got a lot of little unique extra things on it that we're going to go over. It has a cap on the end where the USB goes, or where the charger end goes into the Apple. It has a display on how much power is left. It's 5,000 milliamp. So let's go ahead and plug it in to this iPhone 14 Plus. If you can see, it's not charging. Plug it in and charging. And that's pretty much the unboxing. I wanted to go over something with it that I didn't point out in the unboxing. So we take the cap off. I said that, showed that. But the cord on the right side, which doubles as like a hanger, is also a cord that you can pull out. So you can pull this out. Bam, now we have a USB-C charger at the same time. So it doubles as a So let's go over a little bit of the about specs on this, about the item. It's a portable charger for the iPhone or Android. It can be for an iPad because of the USB-C. Charge two devices simultaneously with a Lightning and USB-C cables at high speed. There's no need for extra cables, perfect for anyone who needs to charge their phone or Android phone on the go. Has upgraded capacity. It's 5,000 milliamp of upgraded capacity, which can provide over one full replacement charge for an iPhone X or Samsung Galaxy S9, or almost two charges for the iPhone 8. It's great as a backup power charge supply in daily use on short trips. It's very minimal in size. It's smooth surface, better texture, make it elegant and unique. The LED smart digital display was upgraded to softer and show the remaining battery in real time. The length of the connector has also been upgraded to match those of the phone cases. It has intelligent safety protection. It's MFI certified. High quality lithium polymer battery with multiple protection charge system microchip. There's a mouthful. Supports overcharge, discharge, overvolting, and short circuit. So what do you get? You get the 5,000 milliamp portable charger, one USB charging cable, user manual. The company gives a 365-day replacement guarantee with 30 days full warranty and 24/7 online friendly customer service. So it's another neat way to have extra power to your phone whenever you need it. So that's my video. on the Aimenzunto, Aimenzunto, again, I hope I'm saying that properly, small portable charger power bank. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.